Once upon a time, a little boy named Ollie found an old, mysterious map in his grandmother's antique chest. The map had a red circle with mysterious words that read, "Whoever follows this path shall find the secret treasure." With curiosity and bravery, Ollie decided to embark on this adventurous journey into the forest. It was a dark and windy night, and suddenly, two eyes gleamed from the shadows of the trees. It was an old owl who hooted, "To move forward, answer this riddle. What is it that cannot burn without light?" Ollie thought for a moment and confidently replied, "Hope." The owl nodded with approval and allowed Ollie to continue. Finally, Ollie found himself at the entrance of a small cave. Inside, there was a golden box. When Ollie opened it, instead of treasure, he found a shimmering mirror. The mirror had glowing words written, "The real treasure is your courage." With a smile, Ollie realized that the greatest adventure is conquering one's fears.